Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll explain you the auto off feature. So you may have seen my previous video where I introduced the content block, but now let's dive into the auto off feature. So what is auto off element for you? If you have watched the video on default WhatsApp bot builder, let's go to settings and then default flows. You will know that one of the standard flow is default message flow. This flow is triggered when someone already in your audience sends you a message that doesn't match any keyword like hello or good morning. So if you have set a default flow, it automatically replies with something like hello, welcome back, how can I assist you? This ensures that even if you don't have a keyword for common messages, your bot still responds. Now let's talk about why the auto off element is important. Suppose someone finishes a flow and the conversation ends with a message like we'll contact you in 24 hours or something like thanks. But let's say if the person replies with thank you or something like have a good day too, you don't want your bot to restart the conversation. The auto off element prevent this by turning off the default response for a specified period. So in the UI, let's go back to our flows. Let's open the test flow. So now let's talk about let me open this content block. For now, let me remove this auto off. So in the UI of content, the auto off option is available under the disable element. Click on this. When you click on the disable button, this section pops up allowing you to configure the auto off setting. So in this area, you will see a field where you can specify the amount of time for which you want to disable the default bot reply. You can input the time here in hours, in minutes, or in seconds, depending upon how long you want the default response to remain inactive. So this is particularly useful when you want to temporarily prevent the bot from responding to non-keyword message while a user is going through a specific flow. You can place this auto off element anywhere within your flow. You can put it in the beginning, middle, or end. For example, if someone is in the middle of flow and accidentally types something you don't want the default bot to interrupt them, you can set the auto off for let's say 20 minutes or 30 minutes, giving them time to finish the flow without interruption. So this feature ensures a smoother experience for user going through your flow, especially when default response isn't needed. Remember, this only applies to those who have the default response turned on. If you don't have a default response bot, you don't need to worry about this feature. But for those who do, auto off is a helpful tool to keep conversations smooth and relevant. That's all. If you have any questions, please let us know and we would be happy to help you answer those questions. Thank you and take care.